In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money trading Bitcoin. For reference, I'm a 20-year-old trader, been trading for 3 years. And yeah, let me just show you what my week has been like. In this, you can see here, we bounced to the 618. Massive wick down, liquidity sweep, acceptance back above. Sorry about the train. Entered my long here, stop loss not all the way below the low because it's just too big. Put it about halfway through, and then we got that nice push up, as you can see, from 300 to 1.3 just by that move. And then here you can see my take profit was hit at the high exactly. Boom, targeting the high, or a bit lower, and it hit perfectly. So bought here, it's the same place, and sold here. Take profit hit nicely. That's my trade one. Here you can see we had a massive breakdown of this yellow line. We created, this was, I believe, I don't know, it doesn't matter. Anyway, we created this support, resistance. So as you can see, it's kind of the same concept. Broke above it, acceptance back below, retested it, and then, you know, moved down. So I entered my short, bearing in mind this is on the 1 minute. Stop loss above the high or at the high for a loss of 1.2. And yeah, this was just the beginning of the trade. Targeting 7.7k, so 1 to 7ish trade. This was zooming out at 5 minute. We had a massive drop down, as you can see, and we broke the support, retested it. I was like, yeah, cool, we're gonna go lower. So what happened, we were here and I was shorting, it fell down, came back up to entry, came back lower, actually broke below this low, kind of fake out, retested it above, and then it got above and it got the drop down. Bearing in mind, still targeting that 7.7 level. This was the zooming, this is the 4 hour, as you can see. If you've been following Bitcoin, this is what it looks like. Massive resistance going down, massive sell-off recently, breaking down below this important low, as you can see. And let's get a zoomed in version. I decided to take profit here because we got kind of SFP'd slash faked out. We've done the same thing here. We got acceptance back above that low there. So I was like, yeah, cool, I'm gonna take profit. Not all of it, I believe. Anyway, this is the trade box. It was 1 to 7, but I took out 1 to 6, and it went from Thursday to 8 p.m. to Friday 8 a.m. so not that long. Anyway, this is where I sold, and this is where I took profit twice, I believe. This was the overall trade, a bit neater, as you can see. Breakdown, retest, couldn't get higher than that high. Entered short, targeting that low there exactly. Price actually broke a lot below it, but you know, 1 to 7, you can't really complain, can you? And yeah, I mean, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll make a video on it. Don't think many people are gonna watch this, but who cares? So yeah, man, this is, I don't know, a simple break and retest strategy. Identify the support, 1, 2, 3 hits. That 4th hit, look at that massive that candle is just nuts. Got the break below, retested, couldn't get above that dead cat bounce, and yeah, just went with the momentum. Which is what you should be doing as a trader, going with the trend. And yeah, but yeah, thanks for watching, and if you stay to the end, you're a real one. And yeah, man, Have a good one.